बाल कटवाना है. Anyways, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So that intro that you saw, it is through this camera with which I am shooting. It is the Canon EOS M50. But it was not always like this when I started vlogging. So it has been around like 4 months for me that I have started vlogging. My Bhumika Avasthi, she also sings. You can check out her channel down below. I have linked in the description. So she gifted me a GoPro Hero 5 Black, and that is when my love for vlogging started. So my initial set of videos, the Lal Bagh and the Kannur series, which are the ones that has hit the maximum till now, are shot with that. And I love that camera. You can take that camera underwater. Pure fun using that camera. Then I went to Jaisalmer where I shot the entire vlogs through my iPhone. Before that point of time, I didn't know the potential that how a phone camera can be used to shoot vlogs. But yeah, they are actually very good. Then 1 month back, finally I bought the Canon EOS M50, the first mirrorless camera that I have that has interchangeable lenses. I will now be able to explore the entire side of photography, entire side of videography. I'm starting to learn the concepts of what is an ISO, what is shutter speed and everything. So all those concepts put together with this camera is helping me to grow as a photography and a videography learner. जिस चीज का इंतजार था वो आ गया. Here. Silica gel. This is my first ever high grade, high range camera. Making this as a protection layer on top, I guess. Warranty card, camera strap, battery, charging cable, battery charger, that's the celebration. This is quite compact for a camera. It's fitting into my hand, one single hand, and I don't have a very big hand, I have an average hand. So this is just fits right into my palm. It's big as my palm. Here, flip screen. This changes. HDMI and USB hai. This is for the stand, like if I want to connect some Gorilla Pod or anything. And one of the most important thing for vlogging, you need an external mic, and this has that external mic source. यहाँ पे है mount for mounting anything like mic or any external thing that you want to. The kit lens. Buying this camera was not easy at all. Camera, whatever it is a luxury, and for us to buy things which are luxury is something that we need to really think about, do research a lot. And honestly speaking, there are too many cameras out there in the market, and it is good enough to confuse you. So we had to research a lot about this. Like I remember one day I sat with her and like we researched for like 6 hours straight to find what is the best camera. We saw a lot of YouTube videos, we researched a lot through Google, and then finally came out with this option. For a guy like me who has very less idea about camera and stuff, this camera is very good for a beginner. Like, I have learnt a lot in this 1 month about camera techniques, about manual mode and what and what not. And it's really interesting to learn and grow. So this camera is a really good thing for me to grow as a photographer, as a videographer, as a vlogger. What you saw at the first is what I shot a B-roll of my balcony which we renovated during this lockdown. Now what you're seeing is the first time lapse that I shot with this camera, renovating the same in night. See how crisp it is. And see this background? You will have a time lapse of this background shown with this camera itself. Conclude what I would like to say that I am very happy to own this camera. It helps me to take my vlogging to the next level. What is a fast shutter speed? I learned that concepts. I shot one of the birds that are flying there, right? And this is the photo that I got. So finally, I would like to conclude and say that if you guys are inspired to do vlogging, and if vlogging is your passion, and if you have a little bucks to spare for a good mirrorless camera, this one is the one to go. This has become my love lately, and I love shooting my vlogs with this. All my food vlogs are coming out with this. Enough of Gyan. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Usse pehle. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the like button if you like this video, right? And for those who are already subscribed watching, and if you haven't pressed the bell notification icon, just go and press that bell notification so that you keep getting notified about my further content. So that's it guys. Thank you.